Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford Explorer. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, tow hooks, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.